Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Chitra Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics from Rabindranath Tagore University. Students, today we discuss a topic, rank of a matrix. Before discussion on rank of matrix, firstly we discuss some basic definitions of matrix, just like a matrix. A matrix is a collection of numbers arranged into a fixed numbers of rows and columns in a rectangular array. These numbers are called element or entries. A matrix representation form is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix rectangular form. It's represent an rectangular array. M cross n is M equals to number of rows, n equals to number of columns. This is also represent M cross n is order of a matrix. M cross n defines as order of matrix. Order of matrix, we see that A11, A12, A13 is a number of elements in a number of row element is 3. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Order of matrix of row is 3 and column of matrix A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33 is order of column is also 3. To be right from M cross n 3 cross 3 matrix. That is order of matrix is your 3 because of we see that example A equals to A1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7. This is also A1, 2, 4. This is R1 row first, 3, 4, 5, R2. This is row second, 6, 3, 7, R3. This is the row 3, R3. So that's order of row is also 3 and 1, 3, 6, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7. So order of column is also 3. To be right now order of matrix is 3. Row or horizontal matrix. Row matrix, if a matrix has only one row, is called a row matrix. Example 2, 3, 4. We see that this matrix has only one row 2, 3, 4. So we also call that row matrix, also called that horizontal matrix. That's we say that R1 matrix. Column matrix or say vertical matrix. If a matrix has only one column, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, that is only one column. This example is represented column form. So this is a column matrix. Also say that's vertical matrix. Identity matrix. In a matrix has only diagonal element is 1 and other element is 0 are called identity matrix. Example 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We see that only diagonal form one element is formed. This is called identity matrix, which we also see that this order of matrix is 3 cross 3 because of number of rows R1, R2, R3 is 3 and number of column C1, C2, C3 is 3. So we also called order of matrix 3 cross 3. Square matrix, we know that number of rows equals to number of columns are called square matrix. A equals to, example A equals to 2, 4, 3, 1. So which we see that the order of matrix 2 by 2, that's a row matrix only 2 and column matrix is only 2. So we say that order of matrix is 2. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix and also says that order of matrix is a 2. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix is called upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the leading diagonal elements are 0. Are called upper triangular matrix, in which matrix we see that only upper elements are formed, upper elements or upper entries are formed and leading diagonal and below the diagonal you see that zeros are formed. So this is called upper triangular matrix. Only upper elements you occurred, other is 0. Below the leading diagonal elements you form 0. So this matrix is upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix, a square matrix is called lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the main diagonal elements are 0 and number of elements occurred below the diagonal. This is called lower triangular matrix. You see that 2 0 0 0 0. So you see कि only lower elements are occurred. Upper elements are 0. Above the leading diagonal elements are 0, and below the leading diagonal elements are occurred, so that is a lobar triangular matrix. Minor, we discuss minor. Minor is some important topic from students. A minor is the determinant of the square matrix formed by deleting one rows and one columns. You obtain minor 1 2 3 2 4 5 2 1 3. One rows and one columns are deleted, so then we obtain a minor of matrix. Minor is also submatrix. Also we say, also you do it from this form कि matrix is C 2 column 2 4 1 and 2 4 5 are also deleted, so you get a minor of 1 3 and 2 3. So this is also a minor of a matrix. Minor is also called submatrix. Minor is also called cofactor of a matrix. From rank of a matrix, you study rank of a matrix. So firstly we define कि how we define rank of a matrix. A maximum order of the non-singular square submatrix of matrix A is called the rank of a matrix. Maximum number, also we said that maximum number of non-zero rows are also called rank of a matrix. Nullity, order of matrix minus rank of matrix. We obtain a nullity of matrix. Without square matrix you don't solve nullity of matrix. Matrix is obtained you only square matrix. So we do example of rank and nullity of matrix. Find the rank and nullity of a matrix where A equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. So working rule for obtain a rank of a matrix. So firstly apply row and column operation on given matrix. Second, make maximum number of non-zeros in form of upper triangular matrix. Count number of non-zero rows. Firstly your matrix is A equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. You make maximum number of zeros, we know that. You make maximum number of zeros, so we apply row operation by multiplication of matrix any you use, apply 2 3 1, that we solve and get 0. So in this matrix, firstly you know that make upper triangular matrix. So in make upper triangular matrix, so firstly we solve it R3. R3 means 3 4 5 rows. So R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. 3R1 means you multiply 3 by R1 rows. So R1 rows your 1 2 3, so multiply 3, so then you get 3R1 tends to 3 6 and 9. So then you subtract R3 tends to, means which we changes obtain only on R3 matrix. So R3 minus 3R1, to 3 minus 3 you get 0, 4 minus 6 you get minus 2, 5 minus 9 you get minus 4. You know that you subtract a small number to big number to you obtain a negative sign. 4 minus 6, 4 is a small number and 6 is big number, to then you get negative 2. Then 5 is a small number, 9 is big number, to then you get negative marking of 4. Then your changes obtained on only R3 matrix. So R3 matrix tends to 0 minus 2 minus 4, which we apply on operation R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. We next solve it. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, which we make upper triangular matrix. So first we do first column elements is 0 0. So then we solve R2 minus 2R1. So R2 matrix is 2 3 4. R2 matrix is your 2 3 4. Then we apply operations R2 minus 2R1. After R3 operation we get a matrix 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 minus 2 minus 4. Then also make upper triangular matrix. This is not an upper triangular matrix, only one element, so we get a 0. So then we again apply row operation R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. So we apply R multiplied R1 by 2. So you get 1 2 3 R1 matrix is your 1 2 3. So after apply 2 multiplied by, so then your 2R1 row is 2 1 into 2 2 2 into 2 4 3 into 2 6. So 2R1 row is 2 4 6. तो then by operation R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1. तो R2 minus 2 R1. तो R2 matrix is 2, 3, 4 and R2 R1 matrix is 2, 4, 6. तो R2 matrix 2 minus 2 you get 0. 3 minus 4 you get minus 1. 4 minus 6 you get minus 2. So then you obtain matrix 0, minus 1, minus 2. Negative sign you get. Why? Because you subtracted 3 minus 4. So 3 is a small number, again 4 is big number, so you get a negative sign. We solve it ki small number subtracted by big number, so you get negative sign. So which be this is a minus 1 and minus 2. So your after operation R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1, so you get A equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 3. Which we makes this is not an upper triangular matrix. You obtain only 2 elements of column 0. So then we again use a operation, row operation. R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R1. Your R3 matrix is, we see that 0, minus 2, minus 4, and R3 matrix is 0, minus 2, minus 4, and 2 R1 matrix is 2, 4, 6. So then again you subtract R3 minus 2 R1. So R3 0 minus 0 equals to you get 0. Then minus 2 minus 2 you get 0. Minus 4 minus minus 4, so you get minus 4, minus minus sign you get plus sign. So then minus 4 plus 4 is also 0. So you get this matrix is make a upper triangular matrix, because again we repeated one steps. R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R1. After R2 operation you see that your matrix is A equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4. This is not an upper triangular matrix. You make upper triangular matrix, so you obtain R3 rows is 0. So then we again apply row operation. The row operation R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R2. Your R3 row is 0, minus 2, minus 4. And R2 row is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So we subtract R3 minus 2 R2. So then we subtract, applied, multiplied by 2 in R2 rows. So 2 multiplied after multiplication of 2 R2s, this row is 0. Multiply minus 1 into 2, so you get minus 2, and minus 2 into 2 you get minus 4. So then we apply operation R3 tends to R3 minus 2 R2, and you get 0 minus 0, so you get 0, minus 2 minus minus 2. So then your matrix is minus minus plus, so minus 2 plus 2 you get 0. Then again minus 4 minus minus 4, so minus minus plus, to minus 4 plus 4 you get 0. So you see that this is an upper triangular matrix, because you get R3 rows is 0, 0, 0, 0. You see that this matrix is an form of upper triangular matrix. 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 0. So you find rank of a matrix. You know the definition of rank of matrix, number of non-zero rows. So you see that R3 rows is 0. Your number of non-zero rows is only R1 rows and R2 rows. The rank of a matrix is 2, and the nullity of matrix, this matrix is a square matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. So this is order of matrix is 3. So your nullity is order of matrix minus rank of a matrix. The order of matrix is 3, rank of matrix is 2. So you get nullity of matrix equals to 1. So this is a solution of rank of matrix. Students, today we discuss some definitions of matrix which we use find a rank of a matrix, and one example of a rank of matrix. In next class we studied echelon form, normal form, and eigenvalues and eigenvector. Thank you, students.